Hey guys, welcome back to the Circleville YouTube channel. For this video I have 20 amazing tool deals to share with you. Everything will be linked down below. We got a couple of double dipper deals. One especially, I'm not sure how long the discount's going to last, but right now it's 75% off. So it's an amazing deal. It works right now. All 20 of these work right now. Doesn't mean they're going to work 5 minutes from now, 5 hours from now, or 5 days from now. So by the time you watch this video, if you find a deal and it is not valid, it's not working, promo code's dead, coupon's gone, all I can say to you is you got to subscribe. But in 2022, subscribing is not enough because YouTube loves the hoops and they want you to jump through every single goddamn one of them. So you also got to click the bell to turn on all notifications so that you actually get notified when the new videos come out, because the best deals don't last long. They get killed quickly sometimes. And if you want the best deals, you got to click the bell. If you don't care about the best deals, then, that's your prerogative too. But you won't be getting the best deals. Just understand that now. Okay, here we go. 20 deals. 2-pack 20-volt replacement battery compatible with Dewalt 20-volt tools. You're getting a 2-pack of 6 amp hour batteries by Amy Cross, or maybe Amy Cross. Although I thought it was Laura. Lara. There's no U. Whatever, not a Tomb Raider fan. 50% off, $79.98, especially the new version. Old version? Not too bad. New version, what did they do? You know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know. New version? $79.98, missing something. Two things, actually. $79.98, 50% off, down to $40. That's $20 a battery. That's good for today and tomorrow. We've had a couple of different Dewalt or Milwaukee compatible batteries on the channel in the past. Some companies have actually sent them to me to test out. I don't have any knowledge or any specific... I don't know anything about this Amy Cross, people, okay? But I've had really good luck with the Dewalt compatible batteries. In fact, I usually grab those before the other ones because I'm just trying to get a feel for how long they last. And I think the 2 sets of 20-volt Dewalts that I think I've had them for over a year now, and they all still work. I have 4 total compatible batteries and haven't had any problems. So I really like them, and 20 bucks a piece for 6 amp hour batteries, even if they're fudging the numbers a little bit and it's really like a 4 amp hour battery, shit, you can't get a 2 for 20 bucks if it was a genuine DeWalt battery, so you're still money ahead. Here we have the 99-piece titanium coated drill bit set, 135 degree tip, HSS, that's high speed steel. Drill bits by Tycon. So it's a 100-piece set, basically. They should have threw one more in just to give it that. $39.99 originally. It's currently on sale for $24.99, and then we have a 20% promo code through the 18th, so about $20 for the set with the handy-dandy case. If you go to the text link here, not only will it automatically apply this promo code to your account, giving you the discount, there is also a second drill bit option. I don't remember exactly how many pieces it was, but it was over 200, like 230 or something. So you can choose between either of those. Now here's one of the deals, not specifically the one I mentioned earlier, but one of the deals that may not last too long. They're either going to kill this promo code or this price is going to change, most likely. We have a Firewood Kindling splitter with cover. Keep in mind it comes with a cover. Manual kindling log splitting tool. This is by Snug Nicher. I think someone called me that the other day. 55% off. That's a 50% promo code, good for today only. And there's a 5% coupon on the Amazon page. It says it normally sells for $129.99. Now, I know I've seen the one at Northern Tool for either $100 or $110, somewhere in that general range. And this looks pretty similar in design. So that $129.99 isn't like a ridiculously inflated, it never sold for that kind of price. That's kind of in the general realm. So it's on sale for $69.99, and I just don't know if they meant for the sale price, which is basically half off, to double dip with a promo code price. Maybe they did, I don't know. I just have a kind of a feeling that one of those is going to change. Either the promo code's going to die or the price is going to go up. But you're under $35 for something that a similar item is like $100. So good deal there. Always love the LED lights. Here we have the 2-pack of 7-inch lights. This is by Yachow Beam. Waterproof, 7-inch, 240 watt, $28.99. We have a 50% promo code and a 5% coupon on the Amazon page. So about $14 for a 2-pack, that's $7 each. Now again, the text link has a couple of different options. It even had car covers. I don't know why you put in a couple of LED lights and then throw in some car covers to go with it, but they were there, so if you're interested, you can check them out on that link there. Now this is the one that I don't think everything's going to go as planned here. So Obd2 Scanner, enhanced battery test, check engine code reader, full Obd2 functions, 10 modes, O2 sensor, evap, smog, diagnostic scan tool, all protocols since 1996 by Denos. It's currently 75% off, and I don't even think this $46.99 is right. Hold on. It may just be a Prime member discount, but I'm showing $39.99 as the current price. So we have a 40% promo code and a 35% coupon. So that's 75% off on $40. You end up paying about $10 for the Obd2 scanner. So a really good deal on that one. That again, and it's not a bad deal even with just one of the two discounts, but it's when you put the two together that pretty amazing. Over at Farm and Fleet, we have the Craftsman 20-volt 4-amp-hour starter kit. So you're getting the battery, 4-amp-hour battery, and the charger. And it comes with a free bare tool. So if we take a look at that, you can see our bare tool options here. We can get a jigsaw, a circular saw, a reciprocating saw, or angle grinder. Look how cheap that angle grinder is. I probably wouldn't pair it with this deal because it's the lowest value, but that's really cheap for a cordless angle grinder. You might just pick that up if you're in the lineup just for the hell of it. Also right now, Farm and Fleet has $7 flat rate shipping on a ton of stuff. I don't know if it's everything, but I feel like every item I pull up shows that. It's not something they normally have. It's just a promotion going on right now. And of course, you can pick up free in store if you are in the Midwest. Another Farm and Fleet deal, we have the Milwaukee M12 10-ounce caulk and adhesive gun with a 2-amp-hour battery. And we actually have a couple of different options with this deal. So they have it on sale for $129, which is the lowest I could find of anybody. And they also have the 2-amp-hour battery to go with it. Now, if we look at Home Depot, they're charging $169. I didn't see any free battery offer from them at all. Tool Nut's $159, so it's $30 more, but you're getting a 4-amp-hour instead of a 2-amp-hour. And you're getting that same deal at Acme Tools. And then Northern Tool is $159. You don't get any free item at all. So with Acme, you're getting the 4-amp-hour battery, but you're going to also have to pay $5.99 in addition for shipping. Tool Nut, I believe, should have looked, their free shipping threshold is either $149 or $99, but I think you get free shipping from them. So I guess it depends how much you want to pay for 2-amp-hours more of battery. But I really like that at $129. Now we can look at other M12 tools over at Farm and Fleet that get the 2-amp-hour battery. You can see there's quite a bit of things here. This was a really good deal. I was going to post it, but it's out of stock. Getting that rotary tool for $79 and then getting the free battery, that's pretty good there. The jigsaw we're going to look at actually here in a second. I wonder what the price is on the ratchet. $129. Huh. All right. It's not a bad deal for the ratchet, but it's included in so many promotions. It's kind of hard to tell when to get it. I definitely wouldn't buy it without getting some type of promotion because I swear it's included in every single damn one of them. Home Depot, here's that jigsaw. Milwaukee with the 2-amp-hour battery at $99. Of course, you're getting the free shipping from Home Depot. So it's the same price at Farm and Fleet, but you have the $7 shipping charge. So if Home Depot were to sell out or something, that would be another option for you. But Acme Tools also has it. And then here's a link to all their other tools that have the free battery. So they're $99 and then the $5.99 shipping. Tool Nut, $99, free battery. So everyone's running the same promotion. I included the link to each one so you can see different tools that come with it if you're interested in the battery, just not so much the jigsaw. And you can kind of compare prices and selection from each one because usually those types of promotions, different stores will have slightly different. If there's 10 items, 8 of them are the same, and then 2 will be different at another store. So it is worth looking at each to see. 50-pack, 4.5-inch cutoff wheels, Metal and stainless steel cutting wheel disc grinder by Lewu. 60% off, normally $36. Not sure when that expires, but it's good right now, right now. Everyone needs cut-off wheels. Go through them quick. Need to replenish. Jumper cables. Smart 6 protector. Professional booster cables. 6 gauge, 16 feet. With a bag by no one. No one makes this. It's kind of like one of those who's on second thing. Is it who's on first, who's on second? How does that go? I don't know. $20.98, 40% promo code. Good for today and tomorrow. One more from no one. No one makes this. 2 amp, 10 amp, car battery charger, 6 and 12 volt. Normally $51. It's 50% off, so about $25. Good for today only. For the battery charger, $25, pretty good deal there. Got a die grinder. It is 1/4 inch, 20,000 RPM pneumatic grinding machine, 90-degree chuck, bayonet, quick connector to wall mark. 50% off. Normally $38. Going to be, what is that, to $19 now. Through the 18th. And you get all those accessories. Look at them accessories. Here we have a LED headlamp, rechargeable, waterproof headlamp, spotlight, and floodlight, magnetic headlight. Kind of interested how the magnet part works. 90-degree adjustable, super bright headlamp with zoom function by Shandul. 60% off, normally $18.99. That's a 50% promo code through the 15th and a 10% coupon. And we have a little Knipex deal. It is the 10-piece insulated high leverage pliers, cutters, and screwdriver set. It is $211.40. I know, kind of steep, but insulated and Knipex tools are always expensive. If we look at the comparables, KC Tool sells it for $303, and something called Federated Tool sells it for $437.99. So half of their price. Half. Get the screwdriver set, get yourself some pliers, and be ready to go. Another 5-piece plier set, a little bit cheaper. Premium construction, including long nose, diagonal cutting, groove joint, slip joint, linesman, with storage pouch by WorkPro. Now they are on sale at $23.99. I want to say the original price was listed as $39.99, but don't quote me on that one. And we have a 15% coupon on the page. It's taking about $3 off. You're going to be near $20. 5 tools, that's $4 a piece. Pretty good deal on pliers. And 1,100 reviews, 4.5 out of 5 championship belts. Going over to Woot, we got Astro Tools Blue Steel 2-piece max duty step drill bit set. Normally $42.33, now $19.99. Of course, Woot is an Amazon company, so if you are an Amazon Prime member, you will get free shipping. And there is a link right here for all the other Astro Tools that are currently on sale. There was about 10 or 15, so it's worth a gander if interested. Another amazing little deal here, Steelhead 42 pocket multi-function heavy-duty tool backpack. It's water resistant, has rubber feet and a reinforced bottom. My favorite kind of bottoms are reinforced one. $64.99, now down to $29.99. Same free shipping deal as before. And Amazon has it also, although I don't remember the Amazon price, but there's the link there if you want to check it. I want to say it was $50 or $60 if you got it through Amazon right now. Shooting back over to Farm Fleet, just real quick, this is the battery deal that we talked about in that little short earlier today. God, do I hate shorts. I despise shorts. That's through gritted teeth right there. Amazon. YouTube really wants to push those and wants people to do them, and boy, do I despise it. I know, one of those things you're not supposed to say out loud. Saying the quiet part out loud, stupid. Shut up. Keep going. Dewalt 10 amp hour battery, $129. Again, it's that $7 flat rate shipping. Home Depot $259, Lowe's $229, Acme Tools $259, So basically $100 cheaper than everyone else if you need a big-ass 10 amp hour battery. We got the right angle drill attachment, nut driver set, 3-piece, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, and the universal socket adapter by Titan. 55% off, normally $20. You're going to be under $10 for that nice little set. Non-contact voltage tester. Voltage tester, AC dual range, electrical tester pen with audible and visual alarm by Lon Vox. Normally $13.87, but we have a 60% promo code. Gonna bring it down to under $7. So that's the latest amazing deals posted on my website, struggleville.net. All the links are down below. Make sure to subscribe. Click the bell. Click the bell. Tired of missing deals? Click the bell. Too late to the deals? Click the bell. Promo code's not working? Click the bell. Coupon gone? Click the bell. Thanks for watching.